Well, it appears that one of the drivers that we contract with to haul our fat cattle to the plant lost control of his vehicle and went off the side of the road, and the trailer unfortunately was tipped on its side and lost some animals during the accident, and just in the process of trying to get them all rounded back up. And typically we unload them out of the back of a chute and the animals just walk right off the truck, and it's a very quiet and calm process. But in this situation, as you can imagine, there's some trauma. We had to cut the roof open on the trailer and get the cattle out, and once they come out, their adrenaline's going and they're kind of wound up, so their head's held a little higher, which means they're they could be on the fight. They could be a little bit scared. Well, yeah, it's difficult. I mean, there's no corral set up to cattle handling facility, so we've had to bring in some makeshift panels. Unfortunately, we had a couple that kind of came out. They came out a little fast and kind of ran a few of us over and got along the interstate. Had some horses there to be able to get in front of them and cut them off and drive them back into the orchard where we have some more that we need to gather. It's just like rounding up cattle out on the pasture. The only difference is you're doing it right beside the interstate.